Welcome to our lesson about circuit and current. Before getting to know the Arduino board and its components and starting to program with Arduino, we need to cover basic electronic information. In this context, first of all, it is necessary to talk about what a circuit is and what the circuit elements basically consist of. To talk about an electric circuit, current movement is needed. The current coming out of a generator, such as a battery, passes through various electronic circuit elements and reaches the generator again. The entire path followed during this time is called an electrical circuit. Various elements come together in an electronic circuit and are connected to each other by wires. We talked about electric current in the formation of an electrical circuit. So in which direction does electric current flow? When we examine the battery, one end is red and the other is black. The red end is positive and called the anode. The black end is negative and called the cathode. The direction of electric current is expressed differently in various sources. In fact, there is ambiguity on this issue. In some sources, the direction of the current is defined as from positive end to negative, while in some sources it is determined as from negative to positive. In the lessons we will define the direction of the current from positive to negative, which means from anode to cathode. In terms of the direction of movement of electrons, it is from negative to positive. Hence, the direction of electric current is considered opposite to the direction of movement of electrons.